So 6 weeks after Maria's treatment, you can see that her fine lines are greatly improved, the skin looks creamier, and the pigmentation that she had is much lighter, and she doesn't need to wear as much makeup. The fine lines that she had on her cheeks are just about gone. It looks beautiful.
So it's been about 6 weeks since my Selphyl treatment at Dr. Gidon's office. It took about 30 minutes, the actual treatment, the actual Selphyl treatment. After the treatment, I left Dr. Gidon's office with a bit of puffiness under my eyes, some pinprick bumps on my cheeks that were gone by that night. So when I got home, my eyes were still a bit puffy. There was still some bumps, but by that evening when I went to bed, they were a lot less bumpy. The bumps were pretty much gone. There still was some puffiness, but washing my face, doing my usual evening routine was no different than any other day before I did the Selphyl treatment. Tenderness around my cheek area was there, so just washed a little softer and dried a little softer. But other than that, there was really no big issues after the Selphyl treatment. So after the Selphyl treatment, Dr. Gidon had recommended that I sleep elevated. So that night, I put 2 pillows so that I could elevate my head so that there would be a decreased chance of more puffiness. So it took about a month for me to actually see the results. There was a lot less fine lines, the discoloration under my eyes, the dark circles were less, so I wasn't using as much concealer under my eyes. Skin was looking better, dewier, creamy, and everyone who saw me shortly after that was complimenting me on my skin, at how great my skin looked, how I looked more rested. So the procedure itself is a great procedure, and I would recommend it to anyone.